Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do a thumbs up hand gesture properly. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to do a thumbs up hand gesture properly, this is the video for you. It's really easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I know you might think that it's simple, and it is simple, but a lot of people might just be curious, if they haven't done it before, or if they're new to the culture, how to actually do it properly. So it's really easy. All that you want to do is take your hand, and you're going to start off by making a fist. Just like that. And when you make a fist, your thumb is going to go on top of the other fingers. Okay? Do not make a fist with your thumb under because you need your thumb. Make a fist instead with your thumb on top. So my thumb is resting on top of my index finger right over here. Okay? And you're going to turn your fist so that it's like this. The thumb is on the top of the fist. Okay? Then with your thumb on the with your thumb, I'm mixing up the words. Not your thumb. Okay? We're not talking about a thumb. With your thumb on top of your fist. Now that I said it properly, we're going to move on. With your thumb on top of your fist, you're going to take that thumb and you're going to raise it up. Just like that. Okay? Now, it doesn't really matter if you kind of let it like sag a bit, or if it's straight up, or if you just kind of hold it up as much as you can. It doesn't really matter. But essentially, like, the idea is that you don't want to do too much. You don't want to do too little. You want it to kind of be as straight as you can get it. Okay? And then with the thumbs up like this is your thumbs up hand gesture, but we don't go and show people this side of the thumb over here. We don't show people this side of the thumb. We show people this side of the thumb, the pad of your thumb. So you're going to put it like this, your knuckles away from you and the pad of your thumb away from you. And the pad of your thumb is going to be pointing at the person that you want to give a thumbs up to. Just like that. That is your thumbs up. Just like that. Now you do it a little bit faster. It's like that. Okay? Like this. Just like that. Once again, final time, like that. Knuckles away, thumb nice and straight up, thumb pad facing the person you want to give a thumbs up to. Just like that. That is your thumbs up hand gesture. It's literally that easy. And that's all I have to say. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, but we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.